welcome to another lesson on trigonometric integrals. Today too, we are looking at trigonometric integrals of tangent with powers. And without wasting time, let's look at our first example. Firstly, let's consider the integral of tan squared x dx. You know that we don't have the direct integral for tan squared x dx. So in this particular instance, we need to replace the tan squared x by its corresponding Pythagorean identity, and that is we know that tan squared x is equal to sec squared x minus 1. Now we can replace the sec squared x minus 1 in place of the tan squared x, which will now give us integral of sec squared x minus 1 dx, which we can simplify to get sec squared x dx minus integral of dx. Integrating sec squared x, its integral is tan x. Then integral of 1 dx is x plus c. And that's the solution for the integral of tan squared x dx. Now let's go to the second example. Let's take the integral of tan cube x dx. In integrating tan cube x dx, firstly, you need to split one of the factors of tan x from the tan cube x. After which we can replace the Pythagorean identity of tan squared x over here to simplify, and that is but tan squared x is equal to sec squared x minus 1. So now our integral becomes sec squared x minus 1 multiplied by tan x dx. At this stage, let's multiply through by the tan x. Integral of sec squared x tan x minus tan x. Applying the integral symbol and the variable of integration, we are getting integral of sec squared x tan x dx minus integral of tan x dx. Considering what we have here, integral of sec squared x tan x dx, let's represent the tan x by a variable. Let's u equals tan x. Then let's differentiate the u with respect to x. So the u is equals to sec squared x dx. Making the x a subject, we are going to get the u on sec squared x. Now substituting everything back into this, that will give us integral of sec squared x u dot du on sec squared x, of which this cancel this, which gives us integral of u du. Integrating u with respect to u is equal to u squared on 2 plus c. So we have that side to be tan squared x on 2 plus c. So finally, our answer becomes tan squared x on 2 minus the integral of tan x is ln of sec x plus c, and that becomes the integral for tan cube x dx. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.